All right, so this is the Friday async assignment. It shouldn't take you a few minutes if you've been doing all the work that you need to be doing in class, taking notes and doing all the stuff that I asked you to do. So I'm just going to, as you can see, I'm looking at it through my student account. So everything that I see should be exactly what you see. Today I added the fiat currency video. It's right there. Click play. There were some issues with it earlier. I fixed them. I'll just say that. And let's take a look at the classwork. Alright, so this is what's due today, the Common Sense Acts 1 and 2. I put the video in here to help, if you just happen to jump to it, this is what you're going to use to answer the last slides with. I'm going to view the assignment, and I'm just going to open up my slides. Here's the rubric. If you're working out the problems, I'm going to keep your score over here and tally them up for you. We did the seniorage stuff in class, so if you missed Monday or Tuesday, then you should go back and watch the recordings and figure out the seniorage for the coins and the total seniorage for the penny, the nickel, based on the 2013 year. This was a warm-up problem. Don't forget, if you didn't like your score for Act 1, you still have some time. You can go back and read the comments that I left for you and hopefully get that in soon so I'm going to be recording those grades in the Skyward today, but I'll let you go back and change your scores if you get a chance. In class, we talked about how these two tables were the same, right? This one would probably be easier to use, but we talked about inserting your own text box. I forgot to do that for you, but all you have to do is click on this little T and then come over here and then just put it right in there, and then you can type your answers in so I can see it. If you have any questions about that, remember you can always write me a comment. Say, hey, Mr. Quinn, what's up with this? Or I don't remember how to do this, or whatever. But once again, the seniorage, we covered that for 2 days. I'm pretty confident that you can find them in Tuesdays or Wednesdays Class Connects recording. So go back and watch that. Okay, I created a text box in here. Remember, I want complete sentences. I want you to really explain your ideas to me. All right, read the question, and then you can just delete all this and type in your answers. We tried to watch this video in class yesterday, and then I wanted you guys to answer these questions right here. Here's text boxes for you to just fill in your answers. This was something we did in class yesterday, and I'm going to make another quick little video to explain how to do the milk after I've gone through the expectations for this particular group of slides. But I just want to kind of get through this quickly. Last but not least, this is the same. This slide is for your calculations. This is where I'm going to look at your math and see how accurate you were able to be based on what we've read right here. Over here, we have for each product below, and this is the, did you think getting rid of the penny had a big impact on people in Canada? And I want you to explain. And there's your text box for that. I want a couple of sentences. Why or why not? And tell me mathematically, was it because people would be losing a lot of money? Was it because charities were being thrown out of business? What was the story? Remember, the video is up there. It's on YouTube. I made it just for you. This is the video I said I was going to add, and I just did. This is the questions for that go along with the video. I want you to answer both of these in the text boxes that I provided, and then when you're done, turn it in so I can give you credit for all your hard work. And once again, everything that I'm showing you here, with the exception of these 2 slides, is stuff that we did this week in class. So if you need to, I would recommend that you go back into previous Class Connect sessions if you've forgotten how to do the seniorage or if you forgot how to do the savings. But I'm going to make a quick little video on this one, the calculations, so that you guys will have something to go off of. All right.